Have you ever really stopped to think about what's actually living in your mattress or on your couch or in your dog's bed? I hadn't either, but when I was asked to try out this handheld vacuum by the brand and be compensated for this video, I was kind of reluctant to do it because I didn't want to know what kind of junk and gunk and filth that I was living with. So let's talk about dust, mites, allergens, and all kinds of gross stuff. This little vacuum is a powerhouse. It has a crazy strong suction. It basically sucks everything up. Plus it like vibrates as it goes across the surface. So it's literally like shaking the dust and dirt loose from deep inside your mattress or your couch before it pulls it all in. It's so satisfying to use, especially when you go to empty it and see what you picked up. And it's not just a vacuum either. It also has a UVC light built in which sanitizes the surface as you clean. So it's not just removing what you can see, it's killing off the invisible stuff too. And I don't know about you, but I feel way better knowing I'm not sleeping or laying or sitting on a bed full of bacteria. And the best part, it's actually really easy to use. There's just one button to turn it on, and the whole thing weighs like under 4 pounds. So it's super lightweight. I can clean the whole bed, the couch, the curtains, the blankets, the dog beds, the cat bed without feeling like I've done an arm workout. I even throw this thing in our RV and take it with us because when you're on the road, you track in all kinds of junk and it works great in there too. I can do the whole RV without even unplugging it because the cord is 20 feet long, which is amazing because I can clean our king size bed, everything around our room without having to move that cord. I really didn't realize how annoying short cords were until I didn't have to deal with it anymore. Cleaning the vacuum is really easy too. You just pop the dustbin off. You can dump out the gunk. You can rinse it out under the sink if you need to, let it dry, and snap it right back into place. Honestly, if you have allergies, pets, or just want to make sure your bed and couch are actually clean, this vacuum is 100% worth it. It's one of those things I didn't even realize I needed until I had it, and now I want to buy one for all my friends and family. It makes me feel better about our home being clean, especially with our kids and pets in the mix. Totally recommend this for anyone who wants a quick, easy way to get rid of dust, dirt, and just the stuff you don't want to think about living in your home.